Hi, in this video we are going to see the university's recruitment notifications. Okay, and here the vacancies are there for the position of a professor, associate professor, assistant professor, as well as the teaching assistants. And the non-teaching vacancies are also there, that is technical or the administrative staff vacancies. Fine. And whatever the notifications I am going to show you in this video from the three different universities, so you need not to pay the application fee. Simply whatever the mail ID is there, you have to send your resume to the provided mail ID. Fine. And here the opportunities are there to the candidates who are having only post graduation as well as a PhD and the UGC net category. Fine. So for all these three different types of categories, here the vacancies are there. So please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the faculty job notifications in this pandemic situation. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video, and the links also I kept, so please check down those. Coming to the present content of the video, so the first college we are going to see is the Ramaya Institute of Management. Fine. And so it is from Bangalore guys, so it is the campus that you are seeing here on the screen. So it is a very good college in Bangalore. Fine. So from this one here we got the recruitment notification. That is Ramaya Institute of Management, and applications are invited from eligible faculty with experience in research and consulting for the position of professor, associate professor, as well as assistant professors in finance, HR, marketing, operations, management, economics, and entrepreneurship. Okay. So previously I got few comments regarding the job notifications in the economics. So I think it will be the opportunity to you, and whoever the industry experience will be an added advantage, and the qualification would be as per the AICTE norms. So mail your application within 10 days from this advertisement with CV to careers@msrim.org. Fine. So whoever the interested candidates and the eligible candidates are there, so you may simply send your resume to this provided mail ID. And if you are having any queries regarding this recruitment notification, then here the contact number is also there. So please note down 733829607. Okay, so it is a contact number. And then we will go into the next college. So that is CMRIT. Fine. So CMRIT is also a college from the Bangalore, and it is also one of the very good private university or the college. So from this one here we got the recruitment notification. Okay, so huge number of vacancies are there from this one. It is a NAC A+ grade, and the CMR Institute of Technology invites application for the following vacant positions in the positions of professor, associate, assistant professor vacancy, as well as the teaching assistants. And coming to the subjects, computer science and engineering, information science and engineering, and electronics and communication engineering, and electrical, mechanical, civil, artificial intelligence and machine learning, and data science, MBA, marketing, HR, finance, and mathematics, physics, chemistry, and English. Right. So these are the departments, and the candidates for faculty positions are expected to have good academic record, good communication skills, research publications and reputed journals, and active research track record and motivation for research, talent for funded projects, and administrative and managerial flair. Fine. And coming to the technical administrative staff, placement officer, office executive, HR executive, admission counselor, lab instructors, and system admin, librarian, as well as the wardens. Fine. So whoever the candidates are there, you may send your resume to this provided mail ID. So mention the designation and the department, okay, in the subject line of the provided mail ID. So here the mail ID is careers@cmrit.ac.in. Okay. So if you are having any queries regarding the qualifications of this technical or the administrative staff, then you may call to the number. Okay, so here the number is 08028524466. Fine. So it is the contact number. So you may contact this number, and whatever the queries you are having regarding this recruitment notification, then you may ask your queries. Okay, and finally simply send your resume to this provided mail ID. Fine. And coming to the next one is, it is Uttaranchal University. Okay, so from this university here we got this recruitment notification. That is, so here the mail ID is provided, career@uttaranchamuniversity.ac.in, and the official website is also given here. You may check down. And the requirements: applications are invited for the post of assistant professors as well as the scientific officers who are interested to build their career in research and innovation and inclined towards quality and applied research in agriculture sciences, environmental sciences, pharmaceutical sciences, biotechnology, microbiology, and zoology and botany. Okay, so if you belongs to these departments, then you may apply for this Uttaranchal University for the post of assistant professor. But here the thing is that in the qualification, the PhD in the regular mode with the NET is mandatory. That means not only the PhD, not only the NET, not only the post-graduation in these departments, NET UGC NET qualification in this department, plus PhD is also required. So all the three are asking. And the desirable is also mentioned here. Coming to the scientific officers, graduates or the postgraduate with excellent knowledge of operating FTAR, XRD, SCM, EDX, etc. So rich experience of operation of the instruments, and higher salary is no bar for deserving and the experienced candidates. And whoever the interested candidates are there, you may send your resume to this mail ID, careers@uttaranchamuniversity.ac.in. Fine. So total these are the different recruitment notifications, guys. Okay, so that you may check down. And if you want to get this Uttaranchal University recruitment notification, then go to the official website. Okay, and then go to the careers blog. Okay, here the careers is there. Just click on the careers, and then you will be directed to this notification. Fine. So total these are the three different universities that I want to show you. One is the Uttaranchal, and second one is the CMRIT, and next one is the Ramaiah College. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And if your subjects are not covered here, then please mention your subject in the comment section so that I will come up in the next video. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month, and if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF.